Welcome to Human Skills Development, your online on-demand self-paced soft skills powerhouse. Critical Thinking Workshop.
You will find everything you need to complete this program on our website, www.humanskillsdevelopment.ca.
What have you done today to improve the skills of your staff and coworkers?
What have you done today to improve your own skills?
With every one of our courses you will receive a student manual in a PDF format. The program has real-life examples and takeaways. It also contains videos, audios, case studies, quizzes, activities to demonstrate points. You will have unlimited access to the program as well as retakes on the quizzes. Upon successful completion, you will receive your certificate.
These are your objectives for this course. Understanding the components of critical thinking. Utilizing non-linear thinking. Use logical thinking. Recognize what it means to be a critical thinker. Evaluate information using critical thinking skills. Identify the benefits. Revise perspective when necessary. Comprehend problem-solving abilities.
This workshop will provide you the skills to evaluate, identify, and distinguish between relevant and irrelevant information. It will lead you to be more productive in both your work and home life.
Critical thinking provides you with the skills to analyze and evaluate information. With these skills, you're able to obtain the greatest amount of knowledge from a piece of data. It provides the best chance of making the correct decision and minimizes damages if a mistake does occur. Our critical thinking workshop will lead your participants to be more rational and disciplined thinkers. It will reduce their bias, which will provide a greater understanding of their environment. This workshop will provide your participants the skills to evaluate, identify, and distinguish between relevant and irrelevant information, which will provide an incredible boost in performance.
Enroll now. www.humanskillsdevelopment.ca. Contact us anytime. info@humanskillsdevelopment.ca